guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to April and welcome to Veda. I'm so excited to be doing this year. I started YouTube about the 17th of April last year, so I didn't actually do Veda, so this is a first. But for Veda, since I already do pretty much daily vlogs every day, I decided it's time to spring clean. So every day in April, you're gonna get a spring cleaning video from me. And today my husband is off, so he is actually helping me film because some of these tasks are really hard to film and do at the same time. So yeah, so today is the fridge. The fridge. My beautiful, lovely fridge that I absolutely love. But yeah, so typically this would be an awesome task to do when you need to get groceries because then it's empty, but that's okay. We are going to get started. So today I'm going to be using a general purpose microfiber cloth, which is from the Miss Melissa Maker collection. And I'm just using my vinegar and water solution. I really like using this in the fridge, especially just because I know like vinegar you can easily eat, right? Vinegar you can obviously consume, so I'm not worried about getting it on food products or anything like that. So that was my fridge. I didn't do the freezer just because I just did it really recently and it's full, packed full of stuff. But I did the outside of the fridge and it actually came out really, really nice. And then we did obviously the inside, and it just looks so fresh and clean, and I love cleaning the fridge. I may have a problem, I don't know. But that's it for this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you're enjoying Veda. If you are, give this a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye.